Hi guys, Jennifer here, and today I'm going to have a very brief little talk with you about the determination of your strategy. Without a strategy, you're like a rudderless ship in the ocean. You need to have a strategy determined, you need to have a direction and focus of where it is that you want to go. Because if you fail to plan, you're going to plan to fail. So make sure that you know what it is that you want to achieve. Sit down and write out a 3-month goal, a 1-year goal, and based on that, figure out what it is that you need to do every single day to achieve that goal without question, without fail. And there's times when you might think, oh, I'm not in the mood to do any of that. Who cares? Get down to it. Just buckle up, get working, and watch your success grow, because that's what's really it's all about. So determine your strategy, figure out what it is that you want to do, where it is you want to be in 3 months, 1 year, 10 years time. Sit down, figure out how you're going to get there, and then let's keep growing together. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.